Have you ever told yourself, I'll start when I feel ready? We all wait for motivation. We wait for the perfect mood, the perfect time, the perfect energy. But here's the truth. Motivation is a spark. Discipline is the engine. This is the story of Maya, a girl who stopped waiting. Maya was 27 years old. She worked as a receptionist in a small medical clinic in Austin. Every day she answered calls, scheduled appointments, and watched the clock. But inside her, there was a silent dream. She wanted to become a marathon runner, not for fame, not for medals, but to prove to herself that she could finish something hard. The problem, she hated waking up early. She loved comfort. And she always said, tomorrow became 6 months. One evening, she saw an old woman jogging slowly in the rain. The woman looked tired, but she didn't stop. Maya felt embarrassed. If she can move at 65, why am I stuck at 27? That night, Maya made one rule: for 30 a.m., no excuses. The first morning was brutal. The alarm screamed, her room was dark, her body felt heavy. Her mind whispered, just skip today. But Maya whispered back, discipline means I move even when I don't feel like it. She didn't run 10 miles, she ran for 8 minutes. It wasn't impressive, but it was honest. Day after day, she woke up at 4:30. Some days were strong, some days were slow, some days were terrible. But she showed up, no dramatic music, no social media posts, no applause. Just discipline. After 30 days, something changed. Running was no longer painful, it was normal. 3 months later, she signed up for her first half marathon. 2 weeks before the race, she injured her ankle. She cried. She thought, maybe this isn't for me. But discipline is not about speed. It's about identity. She adjusted, she trained differently, she healed. And she showed up on race day. She didn't win. She didn't break records, but when she crossed that finish line, she wasn't the same person. She had defeated something bigger than distance. She defeated her old self. Today, Maya still wakes up at 4:30, not because she loves mornings, but because discipline is no longer something she does, it's who she is. Here's the truth. You don't need motivation. You need a decision. You don't need a perfect plan. You need repetition. The life you want is built in the mornings no one sees. So tomorrow, when the alarm rings, who will win, you or your excuses?